Well, good morning YouTube. Hey, did you like that intro? Well, today we're out to look at the JJRC H73. It is a very compact foldable drone that weighs 250 grams or less. So in some countries it's below the regulations necessary. And it's very familiar. You've seen this drone before. Let me show you it. Here it is. Here's the H73. Now, doesn't this look like the MJX X103W? Yes, it should, because it's 99.9% the same. The only difference is the top. And check this out. If I do this, let me just unfold it for a sec. This here is the battery from the X103W. And notice how the top is different. And yes, watch this. I can take it out. The batteries are interchangeable. There we go. So in every respect, this is an MJXRC drone. And the good thing about having a JJRC drone that is also an MJXRC drone is that if you need parts, well, now you have two companies to go to. If you want to choose a drone, well, you look for the one at the better price, and you're going to get exactly the same features, so it's not too bad. Now, a quick overview of the drone. We have the little 2K camera at the front that moves up and down. You have a micro SD card slot on the side. It has a really good range, has a really good flight time. And it does have brush motors. That's what keeps the price down and keeps the weight down. But it does have foldable props, and it's so small it'd probably fit in your pocket. You could take it almost anywhere. And it comes with a controller that everybody wants, which is the one with the little Mavic display. You probably can't see it because the sun is just blaring on this thing right now. I can see it with my eyes, but the camera can't pick it up because of the brightness. Yeah, really good controller. All right, so let's get this up in the air, powered on. Power on the controller. Now, since this is actually an MJXRC drone in a JJRC skin, all you do is you spin it 3 times, once, 2, 3 times, and spin it 3 times this way. It doesn't matter if you put the nose up or down, they're all pretty smart. And just look at the landing legs and see if your lights are fully on. I see fully red and I see fully green, so we did it well. All right, so for this drone, you're gonna connect to the JJRC X application right here, the app, go, and there we are. Drone's down here, all set to go. Hit this little red button, unlock the motors, and take it up. Killing all the plants as we go up. It has GPS on. There we go. Let's bring it down a bit over our head back here. And let's turn on the landing lights. There we go, landing lights on, landing lights off. So this is gonna be a quick video because I've already reviewed this drone before on the X103W. So check that out if you want a detailed review. We're gonna go through all the features really quick. Here we go. First off, turn off these lights so I save some battery power. All right, here's the drone. You see it? I'm gonna go forward in low speed. That's low speed, and I'll bring it back to me. Low speed over all these nice bushes. Come in at low speed, and that's low speed. All right, I'm gonna hold this button down, change it to high speed. The wind's picking up out here. Now with the wind blowing, I'm gonna put it in high speed. There we go. Going over all the plants really fast, coming at me super fast. High speed, nice. Hold this button down, turn the camera on, I should hear a beep. There we go, it should be flashing that it's recording. You should see props in the frame, and you might even see some jello. For some reason, these drones sometimes give off jello because the props are not very balanced. So I'm gonna bring the camera down a bit. There we go, there I am. You can look all the way down if I go like this. See, there we go, landing pad down there. Bring it back up to catch me, and I'm gonna hit on my little display here, follow me. So yes, there we go. It's looking for my phone. Where are you? And it will follow me now. It should follow me as I trip over stuff down here. It's rocks and everything. Am I still recording? Yeah, I am. So hopefully it's coming. Let's see. Yeah. So you can see there's my world where I am. Hopefully it's not too jello-y, because like I said, these drones are so tiny. Sometimes their props, if they're the slightest bit unbalanced, you get jello in them. And also you get that rocking motion back and forth. All right, I'm going right to the edge here. I'm at the edge, I'm tripping over every rock, and there I am. So that is the follow me. I'll turn that off right now. Drone's up there. So this drone has the ability to orbit anything you want. So I'm gonna take it forward. Let's say I wanted to orbit that, the water and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put orbit me on and hit yes, and watch what happens. It's just gonna make a circle. I set the radius at 5 meters. So you're gonna get a 5 meter orbit. And of course it's blowing in the wind, so it's flopping all over the place. There we go, it's pointing sort of at me. You could kind of see me over here on the edge of the ravine. And there we go. And of course, if I wanted to, I could have the camera pointing all the way down as it's orbiting, so it's just looking down at something on the ground, like there we go. I don't know what it sees down there. All right, let's get out of orbit me and let's bring the drone back to me. Next thing to show you on here would be waypoints. There's a tree over there, so I have to be careful. Let's see, so I'm gonna go into the waypoint mode. Here I am here, I'm the little green dot and the drone is below me. So I'll just draw some waypoints around me. There we go, and on the bottom of the thing, I'll hit submit. And there we go on the screen. It's not very high up. Let's see what it does at this level. I'm gonna have to turn waypoints off if it does something crazy. Where's it going now? It's going over there and it's heading to that tree. So I better turn waypoints off. There, I turned it off. You gotta have it high up in the air for the waypoints to work. All right, and finally, I'm just gonna try something because a lot of people ask, what height does the drone have to be at for return to home? Will it fly at return to home at this height that it is, or will it go up? Because you can't set the height of the return to home in here. So let's try it. I'm gonna hit return to home, see what happens. Return to home, it's going up to whatever height. So it looks like it's got a preset height of, still going, maybe 20 meters? Not sure. There we go, and it's flying over there. So the landing pad is over there someplace in those bushes. Let's see where it comes down. All right, we'll look up, we'll check out the drone coming down. So there's the drone there. I'll put on the landing lights here. So there's the landing pad. Here's the drone down here. It's pretty close, pretty close. It came back. Well, at least it came back. That's the best thing. All right, if you want more info on the JJRC, check the links below. It is the same as the X103W drone. You know, identical except for the top looks like this, and the X103W is more smooth. You'll see it. I'm going to show you a quick unboxing now. It's going to follow the end of this video. All I can say right now is if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stick around for the unboxing to see what comes in here, just keep on watching. The unboxing will come next. Links will be placed below this video where you can click on them and you can see exactly where to buy this drone. It's probably on sale since it's the first time I've received it. Most of the JJRC ones are on sale, so check the link below. It's probably at a really super low price. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you in the next one. And now, a quick unboxing of the JJRC Fihoot. First thing in the box is the instruction manual and quick start guide. Next, we have the drone, the controller, and some accessories. Taking a look at the drone, we can see that it's foldable and has foldable props, and it also has brushed motors right here. There it is, totally unfolded. Now let's take a closer look at the features. On the top we have nothing but the power button. Press that, hold it down. We can see how much power is left in the battery. It will also start the drone. Nothing on this side except the USB port right here to charge up the battery. Nothing on the back, so the battery does not go there. And then on this side here we have nothing. You can move the arm, nothing there, nothing there. Going to the front we have the camera, and it is movable up and down electronically. And then going to the bottom, we move along, we have the LED landing lights, and it does say it has an optical flow positioning, but I don't know, it looks like a big hole in there. Here's the battery. It's a 7.6 volt battery at 1100 milliamps, and I do have it powered on. And when you put a powered on battery into the drone, it will cause the drone to start. Watch the camera. There we go. And now it's all ready to go. Down here you can see where you put a micro SD card so that you can record the video from the camera direct to a micro SD card. And now taking a quick look at the controller, let's take the plastic off the screen. Powered on. It does take 2 AA batteries to power, and it is like a Mavic display. This is your power button. That's your lock and unlock the motors. That's your start video and take a photo. Return to home. Right here you have your takeoff and land button, and this dial does nothing. This dial moves your camera up and down, and then we have turn on your landing lights and also your speed controls. And these antennas have no wires in them, so they are just for show. And out here is where you put your cell phone. Pull that out. There you go. And these arms here are compact for travel. Also included with the drone is a USB power cable so you can charge up the battery, 4 spare foldable props, finally 1 micro Phillips screwdriver. Here's the drone, batteries in the drone. Let's weigh the little guy. It should weigh about 250. There we go, 250 grams. All right, for all of you who watched the unboxing and kept on watching the video, here you go. You can see a picture of both drones side by side. This is the MJXRC and this is the JJRC. Identical drones. There is no difference between them other than the top. Even the bottoms are the same, no difference there. So what I'm going to do in a future video is I'm going to fly the JJRC indoors because a lot of people want to see how these drones fly indoors, so I'm going to take it for an indoor flight. All right guys, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you in the next one.